The king is in a rush. He is on his way to get on a ship, but he has a crash. His truck it hit and a tree. The king is not hurt, but he missed the sail his ass. He it did not get on the ship. The frog and the flag. The frog spots and flag on a stick. He steps on a flat log on crab. The frog, the wind flips it left and right. The frog holds it tight and hops away. My cat, I have a cat. The cat is orange. It has a long tail. Her eyes are brown. It likes milk and fish. It likes to run and jump. I love to play with my cat. I feel happy to watch her play all the day. Her play all day. Farmer Brown and the cow. Farmer Brown had a cow and a mouse. The cow lived in the shed near his house. The mouse lived in the hole near his house. One morning, the cow made loud sound on seeing a long snake hanging down from a tall tree. Farmer Brown ran out with a long stick to drive away the long snake. Bee and butterfly and black bee and the purple and blue bee butterfly like to fly. They fly in the sky. They fly over the brown house. The green tree. They land on a red flower. The bee and the butterfly rest on the soft red flower. Thank you.